Hello and welcome to the Science Lab. Today I'm going to tell you all about the Big Bang, which is another explanation for why the universe exists. So, about in the 1930s, some scientists came up with the idea that our world started in a tiny, really hot, really dense spot. And from there was a massive explosion. And all matter and dust went everywhere and expanded and is still expanding today. There's a lot of evidence for this. Partly the fact that even now, using astronomy, we can tell that the galaxies and all space, in fact, is still expanding. So galaxies that are far away from us are still going further away. And if you think about it, if they are still gradually going further and further away, if you press the rewind button, they come back together, and eventually they come back and be in a single dot. Scientists also predict that eventually there will be a big crunch. The expansion will slow down, and it will come back together again, and the world will end with a big crunch of everything in one little ball. Other evidence for this is that we still can detect microwave radiation, which comes from all directions, which we believe came from the Big Bang, is left over from the Big Bang. When the scientists first discovered this, they thought there was something wrong with their detecting equipment, but they then realised that it was left over from the Big Bang. Another piece of evidence for the Big Bang is found using particle accelerators, which are huge tunnels that are built under the ground. There's one in Geneva. And what they do is they speed up particles really fast to try and mimic what it was like in the Big Bang. And judging from their experiments and from the results they've got there, they do show solid evidence that the Big Bang was the beginning of the universe.